You're about to make one of the biggest financial decisions of your life, buying or selling a home. But here's the truth no one tells you. The right real estate agent can save you time, stress, and tens of thousands of dollars, while the wrong agent could cost you everything. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to find the best real estate agent near you, step by step. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned seller, you'll learn the insider tips top clients use to find agents who hustle, negotiate hard, and actually care. Let's get started and protect your next move. Why choosing the right agent is a game changer? Not all agents are created equal. Great agent will help you price or find your home accurately, spot red flags other people miss, negotiate like your money is their money, handle paperwork and deadlines without dropping the ball. A bad agent, they'll ghost you when it matters most, lose you money, and leave you wondering what just happened. Your choice of agent can literally make or break your experience. Where to start your agent search? Ready to search? Here's how to find top agents near you. No guesswork. 1. Ask your circle. Friends, family, coworkers, who have they worked with and would actually use again? To go online, check platforms like Zillow, Realtor.com, Redfin, and Homeline. Look for agents with 4.5 stars or higher in detailed reviews. 3. Use Google. Type top real estate agent near me, but Dan T just trust ads. Read the actual reviews. For Facebook groups and local forums, ask locals who they trust. You'll find honest answers fast. 5. Drive around your target neighborhood. Who has signs up frequently? That's local experience in action. Pro tip: pay close attention to how often their name shows up. Consistency equals credibility. Create your shortlist and interview like a pro. Once you've got 3 to 5 names, it's time to do something most people skip. Interview them. Yep, this is like a job interview. You're hiring someone to guide a 6-figure transaction.
Ask,
how long have you been working in real estate? Do you specialize in this area or a price range? How many clients do you work with at once? What's your communication style? Text, call, email? Can I see reviews or talk to a past client? Don't just listen to what they say. Watch how they respond. Are they confident, clear, and attentive? Red flag. If they talk over you, dodge questions, or make vague promises, walk away. How to spot a truly great agent? Let's talk about what separates average agents from the exceptional ones. Local expertise. They know the neighborhoods, schools, and even which side of the street gets better light. Full-time agent. Real estate is their career, not a weekend hustle.
savvy.
Can they set up virtual tours, use digital documents, and run instant market comps? Strong reviews. Look for detailed stories, not just 5 stars. Good listener. They ask great questions and truly listen to your goals. Quick response time. If they can respond now, will they respond when it counts? Pro tip: trust your instincts. If you don't feel comfortable asking them anything, they're not the one. Understand the agent agreement before you sign. Found someone promising. Before signing anything, review their representation agreement carefully. Look for a length of the contract. 60 to 90 days is typical. Commission 5 to 6% is standard, but always negotiable. Termination clause: can you cancel if things don't work out? A solid agent will walk you through everything and encourage your questions. Remember, you not just signing a paper, you reforming a business partnership. Know the agent's role. Buyer versus seller versus dual agent. Quick refresher: buyer's agent works for you to find and negotiate your home. Seller's agent markets and negotiates to sell your home. Dual agent represents both sides. Tricky territory. If you're a buyer, you don't pay the commission, the seller does. So don't settle. Find someone who works for you like a boss. Give them a small test first. Voiceover: still not sure? Give them a small test. Ask them to send you comps, comparable sales in your area. Set up a showing. Explain how the current market affects your price. See how quickly and clearly they respond. That's the real preview of what working with them will feel like. If they disappear for days or give half answers, it's better to know now. Make the final call with confidence. Voiceover: time to choose. Go with the agent who gets your market, communicates clearly, follows up fast, makes you feel like their top priority. a proven track record, and most of all, someone you trust. Because buying or selling a home is personal, don't be afraid to say no to agents who don't feel like the right fit. This is your journey. So now you know exactly how to find a top real estate agent near you and avoid the costly mistakes most people make. Start with referrals, interviews, smart test their response, and trust your gut. Got questions about your area? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and good luck finding your perfect agent.